today I had to go and blow out my well. And what I mean is I literally shot a lot of air down into the well. I have a hose running the full 84 feet down to the bottom of my well. Opened up my big air compressor and shot 80 psi for about a minute. And it was real cool because I had a big old geyser in the middle of my yard. Unfortunately, I do not have a connector that actually hooks my air line to my water line. So I literally just sandwiched them together and wrapped a lot of electrical tape. It leaks real bad, but it got the job done. So as you can see, it's just a garden hose. Nothing fancy about it. I do need to get it the end replaced because it is damaged. But this is the hose that you just kind of use, you know, like you would, just spray. But today, this becomes an airline. Literally take this and shove it all the way down to the very, very bottom. May need to jiggle it up and down as you go down until you finally hit the very bottom. And once you hit the very bottom, that's when the fun part begins. Well, that's it for this. I still need to drop the actual pump down into the well. But now you know that if you do have a pump that, like we had, we started losing water volume. Not necessarily pressure, but we were losing volume. We'd take a shower, and depending on how long it was, would depend on if you still had water to go and finish your shower or not. And then 2 nights ago, Mrs. Tibbs went and was running the sink to go and finish up dishes, and water just cut out completely. In the morning, whenever I woke up, there was no water. So did a bunch of troubleshooting. The pump did go bad, but whenever I went to go pull that out, it fought me every last bit of the way. Well, not the entire way. Got about 30 feet out, and then it fought. And then about 5 feet out, and it fought again. And about another 5 feet, and it fought again. And it kept like that until I finally got it above the water line and was able to pull it the rest of the 30 feet out. The pump did go bad, but we had a bunch of sediment down in there. Went and checked with my tape measure with a weight attached to it. And the water line's at 26 feet. The sediment was at 31. Now, I checked this thing about 8 years ago, and the bottom of the well is 84 feet. Well, this running water line down in there busted everything out. The first geyser looked like mud. The second geyser, much cleaner, but still had a little bit of sediment in it. And the third geyser, she was pretty clean. I went to searching on the internet and saw a bunch of people doing it themselves with airlines, but nobody ever showed what kind of attachment, except for one dude. One dude did, and he had this weird contraption that went and shot air, and it honestly, it looked like a fuel injector. And I'm like, well, I don't have the money for that. So let me just try this before I have to figure out how we're going to pay the well drilling people to come out and fix it. And now you can go and see, it don't take anything fancy. You just throw the garden hose hooked up to your airline, and with sufficient air, it works. Don't ask me how it works, because it's magic. It's not really magic, but to me, it's magic. So, yeah. All right, well, if you like the video, go ahead and click that button. If you're still not subscribed, go ahead and hit that button too. Right about here, there should be a video for you to move on to. And as always, have a great day.